What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm on the 0506 Type S wheels. One of my Enkis, the nut on the valve stem came off and it was making a bunch of noise. I'll post a video here. So I said, let me go back to the 0506 wheels. These things are pretty timeless. To me, they're one of the best OE Honda wheels. The only thing I don't like is how bad the offset is. But of course, I'm coming from the 17 by 9s. These, I believe, are 17 by 7 or 0.7. Not sure. So yeah, I wanted to switch the look up a little bit. I've been on the RPF ones for a little over a year already. I'm still gonna put them back on, but just to switch it up every now and then. They do look good. OEM is always best. Yeah, guys, I want to start posting more. I just don't know what videos to make. The car already has all the bolt-ons. Only thing I'm missing is the motor mounts, which I ordered the hard race motor mounts in November, and they've been on back order, so I should be receiving them. They said at the end of January, but it looks like it's gonna be sometime in February. I don't know. I might make a video on that, or I don't know if you guys want me to do some rolling shots, or I don't know. If you guys want me to see me race the car, don't race it at all. Sometimes I catch some runs when I'm out, but I barely drive the car, so I never have the camera on me. So yeah, any suggestions of what you guys want to see? I'm open for anything. Damn, I really do need a paint job. It really looks good from far, but the top, I have nothing. But yeah, guys, comment down below what you guys want to see. You guys want me to post? What you guys want me to talk about? Maybe something in the car. The car is really low, too low for me. I want to raise it a little bit. Yeah, the back is stupid low. I want to raise it up a little bit so when it has a lot of torque steer. So when you throw it in first gear, the steering wheel is going all over the place. Even though I have a good alignment on it, but these cars with the suspension, it's terrible. Maybe that's something I should do. I should focus more on the suspension. I do have the BC coilovers with the SHG, something like that. Slider, not the riser, the slider, which helped out a lot with the bump steer. They were telling me to do something with the tie rods, shorter tie rods. It said K-tune tie rods, but I'm not a fan of K-tune. I'd rather stay away from that. I do want to do the LSD at one point, but that's down the line. I want to paint the car first. To me, that's more important than the LSD, because the LSD is gonna cost, in the installation, maybe like 2K, and the paint is like 3-4K. So I'd rather put the money towards that. And I didn't notice that I was missing this shit the other day. Who knows where that fell off? But yeah, guys, let me know what you want to see. I'm down to post whatever. I'm down to record. I got GoPro. I got the Nikon. So I can give you guys whatever you want. Thank you, guys. Until next time. Peace.